If you were one of the millions of Americans missing most or all of your teeth in one or both of your jaws, full arch restoration is an excellent treatment option for you to consider. This procedure restores a complete arch of teeth and is the most cost-effective, long-term implant solution for restoring your oral health and smile. During this treatment, we will use 4 or 6 dental implants to support a full arch of beautiful new teeth. The implants are placed directly in the jaw and support a full set of teeth.
The dental implants also stimulate the jawbone and help prevent jawbone loss caused by missing teeth. We coordinate with a top dental lab to fabricate a temporary prosthesis, which is placed during surgery. Once fully healed, this solid foundation allows you to eat normal solid foods and to speak and smile with confidence.
At Canyon Oral and Facial Surgery, it is our highest priority to provide you with a smile that looks so natural, no one can tell you've undergone full arch restoration.